In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Huawei Health not syncing with Strava. If your runs, rides, or walks have stopped appearing in Strava, the most reliable fix is to refresh the connection between the two apps. We'll start in Huawei Health and then confirm things on the Strava side so both services are fully authorized to talk to each other again. Begin by opening the Huawei Health app on your phone. Along the bottom, go to the Me tab. This is where your account and sharing settings live. From here, open Privacy Management, then go to Data Sharing and Authorization. Find Strava in the list and select it. If you see that Strava is already connected, go ahead and remove or unlink it, then immediately link it again. If it isn't connected, simply link it now. Follow the prompts to authorize Huawei Health to share your activity data to Strava. This step refreshes the permission token that allows Huawei Health to send your workouts, and it's often all that's needed to restore syncing. Now let's confirm things from the Strava app. Open Strava on your phone. Along the bottom, tap the U tab to reach your profile. In the top right, open Settings. Scroll to and select Connect to Device. This is where Strava manages connections with watches and partner services. Choose Huawei from the list and proceed through the on-screen instructions. The app may direct you back to Huawei Health or prompt you to approve the connection on your Huawei watch. Keep your watch nearby, awake, and already paired with your phone in Huawei Health so the prompts appear smoothly. Once you've completed those steps, give the apps a moment to sync. Record a quick test activity on your Huawei watch, something short is fine, and then check Strava to see if it appears. It can take a minute or two for the first sync after relinking, especially if your connection is spotty, so a little patience helps here. A few quick tips to make this smoother. Make sure your phone has a stable internet connection. Leave both Huawei Health and Strava open for a moment after linking, and confirm you've granted all the requested permissions during authorization. If you use battery saver or data restrictions on your phone, temporarily easing those for Huawei Health and Strava can prevent background syncing from being paused. And that's it. By relinking Strava inside Huawei Health, then confirming the connection in Strava under Connect to Device and selecting Huawei, you refresh the data sharing path end to end. Your workouts should now flow from Huawei Health into Strava again.